Have you ever heard the word Torah, Pentateuch, wondered what's the difference? Both of them are talking about the same thing, the first 5 books of the Bible, Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, and Deuteronomy. The difference is Pentateuch is a Greek term. It literally means 5 books or 5 scrolls, and it's talking about the first 5 books of the Bible. Now, the Torah is what's used in Judaism. It's derived from a Hebrew term, and what it means, or how most people translate it, is law. It means it's the first 5 books, the law that was given to the Israelites. But technically, if you want to put it into context, it means instruction or guidance. The instructions and the guidance that was given to the 12 tribes of Israel. Welcome to Flawed Faith. We're here to do one thing and one thing only: learn about this. I don't care your political affiliation. I don't care if you're liberal or conservative. It doesn't matter to me if you know the word, if you've never opened it a day in your life. This isn't a sermon series. This isn't a church or a religious organization. We're doing one thing: teaching you what's in here. Do you want to understand this better, learn more about it? Do you want to dig deeper? If you do, if you wonder what's in these pages, I've never opened it before, come here, let us help. We're Flawed Faith. Did you know that the book of Genesis spans more time in history than the rest of the entire Bible combined? That's right. Genesis is the first book of the Bible, and it's broken into 2 sections. Section 1, chapters 1 through 11, it digs into that oral tradition, the legends of creation, the fall of man, the great flood. And then once we get to chapter 12, that's where we start following 4 generations. This family that's called by God, that's destined to tell us the history of Israel. It's going to start with Abraham, who does a huge covenant with God. It's going to then go into his son Isaac. Then Jacob, who gets renamed to Israel, and his 12 children, which brings us to 12 tribes of Israel. And the book is going to end with one of those children, Joseph, who's going to help save the family when he becomes second in command in Egypt, and he's able to save their entire tribe. Bible trivia! Okay, question. Do you know the oldest person to ever live according to the Bible? Methuselah. He lived to be 969 years old. That's according to Genesis chapter 5.